This is SFC desktop environment. It looks like Windows XP with the start menu with many applications. At the top, the bar. At the bottom, the panel where you will have some applications, but if you are a beginner, you don't need it. In other Linux distribution, the panel might be at the top from the beginning to make it look like more Windows-like and with a different menu called Whisker menu. Its appearance will be very Windows-like with the normal title bars, and you can also change this desktop environment. You can change the colors in appearance, for example, dark themes, different themes, and also different icons. And if you really like Windows XP, I suggest this desktop environment. And at the bottom there are virtual desktop. It means that you can have a full screen application open in one desktop and another full screen application opened in another desktop. As you can see, two different desktops with two different applications. See you later, guys. While to close, click this green man icon, logout. Logout, we start, shut down, suspend, switch user. See you later, guys.